So now I'll be showing a dynamic demo. So you can see that there are 3 pieces of the entire model. So all these 3 pieces identify different colors based on how they're buried in different types of soil and how long they've been buried in. And you can also see in this model, the ears have also been damaged. So now it's a much bigger challenge for the robotic arm to actually place it and pick it in the right place and actually identify how the entire circumstances are. So right now this is the act policy on my SO101 arm. So you can see there are 2 web cameras. One is a top camera and one is a front facing camera. So I've trained it on the act policy and I've run over 100,000 steps and my loss was only about 1. So now I'll be keeping them in completely different positions, and in between I'm also going to move them, and then you can see how if I move them I get dynamically rearranges. You can see Teleoperation is not working right now. I'll run the program. So I'll first keep them supposed in this order. So the first has to pick up the white, then the black, then the yellow, and to keep them all on top. Now the policy started. Now let's pick up the white one. And there are small magnets at the bottom so that it can easily snap one for centimeter position. Then on the black one, I'll remove it and I'll keep it back here. So it'll understand that the black has been moved and it'll come back here. So this is not hard coded. You can see it's fully dynamic with actual physical AI. So this has been trained on my RTX 4060, and I can see it being deployed. So now the last piece, the head, I picked it up, and I'm going to place it at the exact top. And now you can see how well the model is. So now I was off the robot. You can see how well it made the idol. It's really, really precise and really accurate, and this helps in art preservation and idol monument preservation in India. So now you can see the idol that it has made. So this is the SO101 arm. So you can see the opening of it. You can tilt it. So this is the leader one, and that's the follower one. So it'll mimic all the movements of this, and you can train there. So right now it's in teleoperating mode. So now I can. So it works really well. So I have 2 cameras set up. One of them are 1080p and the other one is 720p. And I have the front end facing as precisely as I can. The better there, the better the model's gonna act. That's it. Now I come back here. Now we'll save it, save all the images, save what I did, and then we'll start again. So right now I'm training everything on my RTX 4060 GPU. Yeah. So far around 10 hours of recording episodes and maybe over a couple of 50 hours probably on just the training of the models on my GPU. Training one position. So right now, as I'm doing the teleoperation, I'm treating this data set. I'm treating the first data set on my PC. So I'm typing data and I'm also treating simultaneously. So yeah, once it's over, I'll be showing you how the results are. So until then, bye-bye. Perfect.